Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre à parler de sa routine. Parler de sa routine. La routine, c'est le topic aujourd'hui. Alors regardez, la journée, the day. Le matin, so the morning. Le midi c'est à 12 heures. L'après-midi, donc afternoon of course. Le soir, the evening, et la nuit, like in English, the night. Les verbes de la routine, les verbes, les actions, what you do, les actions, hein. Se lever, se réveiller, donc se lever to get up, se réveiller to wake up, s'habiller to dress up, se laver to wash up, prendre le petit déjeuner to take the breakfast, aller à l'école to go to school, aller, you know to conjugate it, we saw it in class, étudier, it's like in English, sounds like English, étudier, study, prendre le déjeuner, so you can guess it means take the lunch, rentrer à la maison, go back from school, go back from work, rentrer, return à la maison, you know, faire is to do, faire c'est devoir, homeworks, se reposer, se relaxer, you know what it means to rest, et finally se coucher, of course, to go to sleep. Prendre, alors I forgot one, prendre le dîner aussi, to have a dinner, to take dinner, prendre le dîner. Okay, how to conjugate these verbs? Because as you can see, they are different. These verbs are different. Se laver, se lever, se réveiller, s'habiller, se reposer, se coucher. They are called reflexive verbs. They have a different conjugation. It's different, the way it is. So let's take a look. Se laver, to wash up. Et se laver, we will say in French, je me lave. I wash myself up. Tu te laves. You wash yourself up. Il, elle se lave. Nous, we repeat again. Nous lavons. We wash ourselves. Vous lavez. You wash yourself. Et il, elle se lave. They wash themselves up. So all the verbs starting with se or s apostrophe se, we have to conjugate this way. Right? So try at home to conjugate the verb se réveiller, which means to wake up. Se réveiller. Try to do in your notebook se réveiller. Like, je me réveille with e at the end. The same endings. You know this because we studied it. So try at home to conjugate this verb and we will see together if you can make it or not. Thank you guys. Au revoir. Merci. Ok les enfants, une activité. L'objectif, parler de sa routine personnelle. Et l'objectif, c'est vous, you guys, vous parlez de votre journée typique, your typical day, right? La routine. Un exemple. Here is an exemple. Le matin, à 8 heures. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Quel verbe ici? À 8 heures. I'll let you think a little bit. Je me réveille à 8 heures. So, what you do at home, in your notebook, you try to complete the sentence with the verb, right? le matin, je me réveille à 8 heures. Donc, which means I wake up. Ok? Je me réveille. Je, puis je, mon petit déjeuner. Ok. So, I get up. Which one is it? I get up. Do you remember? Je me lève. Puis, mon petit déjeuner. I'll let you think a little bit. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. I take my breakfast. In French, we say like this. I take my breakfast. Je prends mon petit déjeuner. Et ensuite, je dans la salle de bain. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça, la salle de bain? Of course you know what it is. We studied it. Je wash myself up. I'll let you think. I write it down. Je me lave dans la salle de bain. Ok, good. À l'école en bus. Of course, you want to say I go. Et I go, we studied it as well. I'll let you think. Je vais à l'école en bus. À l'école. Why is it A apostrophe? Can you explain to me? You know the answer. Je vais à l'école en bus. Voyelle. À midi. Donc midi 12h. À 12h midi. Le déjeuner avec ma classe. Le déjeuner. Lunch. Petit déjeuner. Breakfast. À midi. You have to repeat I take. And you know in the text, so I'll let you think a little bit. You can copy it at home. Je prends. Je prends le déjeuner avec ma classe. Point. Avec ma classe. L'après-midi. Après, so vous avez, you see, midi, après-midi, afternoon. L'après-midi, blablabla, les mathématiques, les maths et le français. Avec Monsieur Benjamin. Alors, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Quel verbe ici? What verb? Quel verbe? I'll let you think a little bit at home. If you watch the previous video, you know. I study. J'étudie. Les mathématiques et le français. À 15h ou 15h10, if I remember well, 15h10 should be. I return à la maison. I'll let you think. If you watch the previous video carefully, you know. Je rentre. Oh, you can say je retourne à la maison. Après. Alors après. What do you do afterwards? Après. Je rentre à la maison. Après, I do. Je fais. I do. My homeworks. How do you say my homeworks? And you know this one. Je fais mes devoirs. Le soir, donc c'est evening, hein, le soir, je blablabla à la PS4, PlayStation 4 ou Xbox ou whatever. What verb is it here? You know this one. Je joue à la PS4 et allez, you can add whatever you like here. So you think at home, what would you say? Je me repose, je me relaxe. J'étudie le français, whatever you like. Et je me repose. Finalement, à 21h, what do you do at 21h normally? Tell me. Je me couche. I go to sleep. Je me couche. Ah, I forgot one, I know. Je prends le dîner. I don't know what time you have dinner in your family, but you should add at I don't know, 20h, je prends le dîner. Forgot it, yeah. Right, forgot. You have to add it at home. Je prends le dîner. I wanted to explain to you les mots, sorry, the words, les mots en vers, puis, et ensuite, après, et finalement. I want you to research these words and tell me what they mean. Okay? So let me know in the next class. So from now on, you are able to write a little text about your routine and describe perfectly your routine from the morning to the night. Well done, guys. Au revoir et merci beaucoup.